No cars coming.
No cars?
Nope.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna catch a big one. How am I gonna get that big algae? I'm trying to get. Haha! Here's a good trick. I hear something. Oh, a duck? Oh, why ducks are doing that? Here, water. Here we go. Hey, Dad. Why I have this, Dada?
Those are your,
Why these are in here?
those are your weights.
Oh, why these are in here? And this here.
That's what it's for. It's for tackle. All right, you ready?
Ready?
All right, let's catch them.
Ready?
Push and
Swing.
all right, click it.
Can I wait?
Yeah, you just wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Click
Now
it.
4.
Give it a click. All right, watch it. Keep your eye on it. 1, 2,
3.
go.
That's my cast.
Click it, click.
Why those are tasting the water? Why those are tasting the water? Where? Why do you eat water?
There's little bugs and stuff in there.
Hey, Mr. Eel. Where are you? Mr. I gotcha.
Trinity, you have a fish.
Why?
You got a reel.
Hey.
Reel.
Oh, do I have fish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reel, you got one.
So I got it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Keep going.
What kind of fish is
Oh, I
it?
think you got off.
What kind of fish was it?
It was a big one.
How big?
10
This
feet.
big?
Yeah.
Why it was 10 feet? I didn't see it. I'm coming. I'm going fishing that.
All right, now click it. Give it a click. Now watch your bobber, okay?
Okay.
Look, you're getting a bite. You're getting a bite. Get him. Reel. Reel. Reel, reel. Reel, reel, reel. Keep going. Keep going. Reel, 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 reel. Reel, reel, reel. You got it, buddy.
I got one.
Keep going.
It's not a big one, it's a little one. Dad, I got a little one. Dad, I got a little one. Okay, hold it. I got a wizard.
Bluegill.
I got a bluegill. What? Can I touch the mouth?
Yep. All right, you want to throw him back?
I like him.
You still got to throw him back. Say bye-bye.
Bye. That's funny fish. Where is he now?
Out in the water.
I don't see him.
Told you get one. Wanna go grab the worm?
Here we go, sir.
Go.
Hey, Dad. Where is my fish? Come on, come on. Oh.
All right, here we go.
Emmy, can I look at my worm? Dad. He's still
Just grab the line.
Ooh.
Ready?
Okay.
Hold it. 1, 2.
Let's see.
All right, clip it a click. Watch your bobber. As soon as that goes down, you start reeling good, okay?
That looks like a guy in the water splashing with his other friends playing.
Yeah.
Tell me I got one.
Okay. There you go. You're gonna bite. Reel
No.
a little bit. Reel a little bit, buddy.
That's
Keep
it.
going. Keep going.
I got one.
Yep, you got him. Reel, buddy.
Got it.
Yep.
I got it.
Keep going, buddy.
I got one. A small one.
It's a bigger one.
A bigger one. That's not big.
It's bigger.
And it looks bigger. What's kind of that? What is it now?
It's another bluegill.
That's the same one, Dad.
No, it's bigger. Here, you wanna hold him?
But he would.
You wanna hold him?
Yeah.
Hold him tight.
What
Tight,
was
tight,
that?
tight. Hold him. Got it.
I got a bluegill,
Yeah.
and he is another bluegill, and I can touch his tail, and I can touch his mouth,
Hold on.
and I see his fins. When he goes aside, he's so cute. And can I let him go?
Yep, go ahead. Throw him in. Very good.
I see his shadow.
Yeah.
He's a crazy fish.
That is a crazy fish.
The little ones are hungry, not the big ones are not hungry.
We'll see.
The big ones are not hungry. The little ones are hungry.
Can you come get me a worm?
Why
Can you pull one out for me?
why two of them just eat the worms?
Can you pull one out?
Okay, the sun just followed us, Dad. Some
Grab me one.
I got
Good
big.
one?
Yes. Fish nose are yummy.
Put it in my hand.
Fish are my favorite. Can I grab that?
All right, bud. Let's cast.
2, 3.
Give it the click.
Can I get a real?
Real.
Real?
A little bit.
The what worm's favorite treat are? Why the little fish are hungry, Dad? Why not the big ones are here?
The big ones are hungry too.
Can I sit? Where I can sit? Can I sit somewhere? I'll sit on the cement.
Watch your net.
children, come, children. I'm talking to fish, and I'm going to tell them, come, children, come, children. Come, children, come, children, come, children.
Are you making your first fishing video, Trin?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm fishing.
I think you got a bite.
But it didn't come down, Dad.
You watching it?
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah. We got about a reel. Can you get a reel?
Yep, reel. Hold it a little closer. We'll get away from this mug. Let me see. You gotta get another one, dude.
Why you want to give me more?
Use a big one. Don't we?
Can we eat one and we get a big, humongous fish?
Yeah.
What kind of bugs are those, Dad?
They are fish flies.
Why are they called fish flies? Do they eat fish?
No, the fish eat the flies.
Yeah,
Are you
it's...
sure you don't want to go out on the boat?
No.
Just for a little bit?
This is sports.
Trinity, just for a little bit? Catch a big bass?
But,
Let it flop on your leg?
no, I don't want to flop on my legs. I say one more time. I will scream. Huh? Hey. Huh? I'm just gonna catch ya, little guys. Haha, I gotcha, LG. Dada, this is all wig snot. See all that wig snot, the green stuff?
Yeah.
That's wig snot.
Is that what that is?
Yes. Papa told to me, but it's not wig snot.
Here, come over here.
Where's the big fish? Dad. Where's the big fish? Hey, Dad. Where's the big fish?
All right.
Let's go somewhere else, different like Dad.
Yeah. Get out of here.
Yeah, this is the bad lake. This is a good lake. Here down.
Thank you. Thank you.